Welcome to my YouTube channel, friends. Today we will cover a load balancer in system design. So how what a load balancer works here? See, here client is either any browser or any mobile app, and from there the client we are sending a request to the DNS. What type of request it is? It is the request of converting that domain name to IP address. Suppose we are typing here in the client we are typing here google.com. Okay, so but our load balancer in servers does not understand google.com. They understand the IP address. What the DNS does here, it converts that google.com to some IP address like 80.80.80.2 or 5. Okay, so once that so the client actually finally sends the IP address of the load balancer. Okay, so at load balancer, what we are doing, we are using one more IP handler here, which is mainly private IP. Okay, so suppose server 1 has a private IP of like 20.0.0.0.1, and similarly it has 20.0.0.2. Okay, so when the request is coming from client to load balancer, then we are using public IP, and from load balancer to the server 1 and server 2 we are using private IPs. So one more thing to notice here is that using private IP of server 1, we cannot directly access server 1. We need to come to load balancer, and from load balancer we have to come to server 1 or server 2. So what is the benefit of using load balancer here? See, there are mainly two benefits here. One is saving us from any failover in the future, and second is availability. Okay, so suppose what happens, after some time server 1 fails, then what will happen? All the requests will be routed to server 2. So at least our content will be available to the client. Second is, suppose people start using our visiting our app or our website regularly, and now traffic grows. So what we need to do, we just need to add one extra server here as server 3, and we do not need to change anything in the public IP access. So these are the benefits of load balancer. Thank you for watching.